Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful button cards ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. So friends, look at this beautiful button cards of this simple buttons turned into simple art pieces. Colorful flowers, cute wall hanging, handmade cards, and unique home decor are made with tiny buttons. If you love dye and handmade creative, these button crafts will inspire you so much. Easy to make, budget friendly, and absolutely affordable. Which idea is your favorite? Don't forget to like and share more creative crafts ideas. And friends, second idea is viewers. Fun and catchy are now all buttons called. Look this beautiful, from cute trees to stylish photo frame and colorful art design. These buttons crafts ideas are simple, amazing. You don't need expensive materials, just button glue and creative. Perfect dye ideas for kids, room decoration, and handmade gifts. Turn your waste button into something creative and magical today. And the viewers, and viewers, my next idea is